And so, I had prepared a plan for gold. That's what I will tell you. There are several things which you can do. But two things if you do, you can turn the economy of India. One, you must bring back a part of the black money parked outside India by cheating India. You know, when this issue was taken up by the Bharatiya Janata Party in 2009, Jairam Ramesh said this is all an imagination. There is no such money outside India. Then the Global Financial Integrity came out with these calculations that between 1950 and 2008, 1948 and 2008, in the 60-year period, the total amount of money stashed out of India was $500 billion. Then even Sonia Gandhi had to say, we will bring back the money. Of course, not her own. Then even the Congress said, we will bring back the money. Congress has done nothing in this 10-year period to bring back the money because a small amount of money, $100 billion, why I will tell you, I have been working for it since 1986. I went to Switzerland, I investigated in 1986. I appointed one Fairfax agency to detect the number 2 money of Indians abroad. And I engaged them on an assurance from Government of India that 25% of whatever is discovered will be given to them as fee. We entered into a contract. And the Government of India arrested me and threw me in jail because I was dealing with foreign detective agencies and passing on information from Government of India. I was arrested for espionage on a forged letter. At that time I came to know there are billions of dollars of Indian money abroad. And that money can be brought back. Even $100, $200 billion out of what is believed to be $1 trillion of money residing outside India, which can turn the complete face of India. Next is gold. With that, I will close my speech.